Is your Facebook ad account grounded, leaving your marketing campaigns in the lurch? First, breathe, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to walk you through appealing that restricted account. Step 1. Identify the reason for the restriction. Head over to your account quality page within Business Manager. The notification will generally specify it, but delve deep into the policy violations and understand exactly what triggered Facebook's response. Review Facebook's advertising policies meticulously. This isn't just skimming. Understand the nuances of each policy and how they apply to your specific ads and business. Now, gather your documentation. Facebook needs proof you're a legitimate business. This often includes your business license, utility bills showing your business address, bank statements, and even governmental IDs. Make sure these documents are clear, current, and match the information on your Facebook Business Manager. Time to file the appeal. Locate the appeal button within account quality. Fill out the form with as much detail as possible, explaining the situation, acknowledging any errors, and outlining the steps you've taken to rectify the issue. Upload your supporting documents. Moving forward, implement preventative measures. Double-check all your ads, targeting settings, and landing pages to ensure compliance with Facebook's policies. Consider adding a policy review step within your team's ad creation process. Processing times vary, so be patient while Facebook reviews your appeal regularly. Check your account quality page for updates. Hopefully, you'll see that green banner soon. That's it. You're on your way to getting your Facebook ad account back up and running. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating the world of Facebook ads.